Hi, this is Hamid. Welcome to this tutorial of simple extrusion and model based definition in Autodesk. So to start with, open Autodesk Inventor and go to the Get Started tab. So select New and then select the standard you want. Select a sketching plane to start and create a closed profile so that you can extrude a 3D model. If you keep the sketch open, you are forced to create a surface model. So thereby here I'm going to create a 3D sketch model with some construction lines, creating circles and then creating some arcs over there, and at the last in the middle I will be creating a slot. Okay, the center construction line helps us to create a mirroring option. So you can also make use of auto dimensioning if required. There you go, we have finished our mirror option, and then we are trying to create a slot in between with a random radius. And then you can also, like I said, we can make use of auto dimension. After that, finish your sketch, select extrude option from 3D model, select the directions which you want. You can also pull the arrow marks for your direction, and you can provide symmetric dimensions, and you can also make use of taper options inside extrude. After extrude, we are going for model based definition, and then go for annotate tab and choose the dimensions which you want to create as same as like we create in drafting board. Create those dimensions, the same dimensions will be reflected back in 2D drawings. So this is what you have in Autodesk Inventor 3D modeling. All those dimensions are directly visible. You don't have to create back inside in 2D drawing again, so reducing your time. Save your drawings back inside Autodesk Inventor. Pull those drawings inside drafting mode. You can retrieve all your dimensions inside drafting mode. So keep watching, there are much more videos to come. Acad Systems.